How to create a catering website in Wix. So, are you still taking catering orders through messy DMs and random emails? This year, your catering business needs a streaming digital front door. Today, I'm showing you how to build a high end catering website on Wix that automates your bookings, showcases your best dishes, and handles payments while you're busy in the kitchen. Okay, and first, let's get the foundation right. Go to the Wix template library and filter by restaurants and food, catering, and chef. Or you can just use the AI to create your website, and in here just to and in here just make sure to let him know that you're making a catering website. And then you can also use those templates, sorry, and they are preloaded with Wix restaurant menus and Wix Forms apps. And if you want a more modern, responsive feel, I highly recommend starting with a Wix Studio template. It uses responsive AI to make sure your food photography looks stunning on a client's phone or a wedding planner's laptop. All right, and then just goes to the dashboard. And then when you open up your Wix website editor, make sure to add your food. So open the Wix Menus app. So in this here, you can create different menus for different services, like a wedding packages menu and a corporate lunch menu. And also the pro tip, use the modifiers feature. This allows clients to select options like gluten-free or upgrade to premium sides directly from the menu. And also AI tool. You can now use the AI menu creator to upload a photo of your handwritten notes, and Wix will instantly format them into a beautiful, SEO-friendly digital menu. Then, catering isn't just adding to cart. For big events, you need a inquiry flow. So use Wix Forms to create a custom event request page. Add fields for event date, guest count, and venue location. So as you can see in this app, you can set up reservations, manage them, and also add elements as well. And we have apps that also allow us to customize, which is the Wix restaurant menus, members area, and Instagram feed. That's for your socials. And that's pretty much your website, as you can see. If you wish to make any suggestions, you can use AI to modify, change your site. And also, if you're super not satisfied, you can just start over and make something new. But there you go. If you wish to use the Wix editor, you can just, as you can see, click on any object here and then easily modify it. Change photos, add buttons, etc. Okay, and don't forget, just like I've shown you, to use the Wix Forms to create a custom event request page. Add fields for event date, guest count, and venue location. In this here, you can also connect this to the Wix CRM and set automation. This keeps the lead warm while you prepare a custom quote. So that's pretty much your advices on how to scale your catering business. If this setup helped you get your kitchen online today, don't forget to subscribe, guys, and see you soon.